Hey guys, it's Nate from Meyer. I'm here today with my friend Lou to talk to you about Meyer's new Quick-Hitch mount system for our Blaster Series tailgate spreaders. Let's get into it. So the first step in the process will be the installation of the adapter plate into your receiver hitch on the back of the vehicle. Pin goes in, secured. We'll put the switch into the starting position and we're ready to go. With the lid off and the spreader empty, go ahead and roll it on to the adapter plate. Hook into the adapter plate, rock it into place. Hear the pin connect. Now let's go ahead and show you how to take the blaster off the truck. Remove the handles, take off the lid, go ahead and move the handle in the off position, push forward and drop. Hey, there you have it. Big shout out and thanks to Lou for the demonstration on Meyer's new Quick-Hitch adapter system for our Blaster Series tailgate spreaders. To learn more about this product and all of our products, see your local dealer or check us out at MeyerProducts.com. And remember, when it's time to blast Mother Nature, it's time to get a Meyer.